Okay, so if you're using an HP laptop and want to find the settings to change for the accessibility, you would come over here to this corner Windows button and you would click the settings, which will take you to this window, and you can find the accessibility part right here on ease of access. So click on that. This first section, as you can see, is related to vision. So this could help with students with visual impairments or like partial blindness. So this first is make everything bigger, so you can change the size of the font, and then you can make everything brighter to make it easier to see. You can change the animations, transparency, those kind of things. If you come over here, you can also change the cursor size so it becomes more thick and easy to see, or the size of the pointer and the color of the pointer. And you can magnify the things on your computer. The default looks like it's 100, but it can go all the way up to 400. You can magnify your cursor, your keyboard, those kind of things. You can also filter your colors, which if I turn this on, you can see that it alters the colors, and you can change the different colors. So these can help with maybe color blindness or people with visual impairments that have a difficulty seeing certain colors. High contrast will make it black. And the narrator also helps with visual, because if you can't see very well, the narrator will interact and tell you what things you are doing. The next section down here is for hearing, for students with hard of hearing or deafness. They can have audio, which makes it easier to hear. You can change the volume, mono audio, and then closed captions, which is very useful for people with hearing impairments. The captions look like this. You can change the font, the color, style, or the background of the captions to make it easier to see for you. And then this last section is interaction, where you can change speech, the talk instead of type. It's kind of like Siri on your laptop. The keyboard, you can use sticky keys, shortcuts, the mouse, and eye control. So as you can see, there are a lot of different resources for people with disabilities on the HP laptop, and this Accessibility Center can help students be able to access the things they need to on their laptops and perform the functions that they need to, like everyone else. So thanks for following along.